Video addressing why I went to the junkyard yesterday to get a light socket. As you can see here, this is my Ford Taurus. I found out that one of my tail lights are not working. Okay, this one's working, but this one is not. It's a faulty LED light that I bought. But I called Ally, and they told me that no problem, we got a warranty on them, just return them and we'll send you some new ones. And they sent me a better version, a higher quality one, a little brighter. Should be here in a few days, but I gotta return these. So I'm gonna take the lights out. Let's start with the one that's bad, this one right here. Okay, I just removed the LED light bulbs. This is the one that was actually good. It was working fine. As you can see, it still looks as good as brand new. And here is the one that went bad. As you can see, it actually melted into the housing of the socket housing. You can see right here. See how it's melted? This definitely had a short in it. It happens. I contacted the manufacturer, and he was more than happy to replace it. For a matter of fact, he's given me an upgrade. There's a better one than this one. That's a little brighter and costs a little bit more. They're going to send that to me for free. For a matter of fact, they said they're shipping it today. With this right here, I'm just going to send this back because they actually want this light bulb so they can see what happened, what went wrong, and how they can fix it. But outside of that, it happens. You know, sometimes a part fails. But I got to say, with this company so far, they've been good by me. So I'm going to wait on that new lights to come in. I'm going to install them and see how better the upgraded ones are than this base model one. That's it for today. Until then, I'll see you.